Number 25 is just like 24, okay? And it looks like, though, I'm not missing any terms. It doesn't have a constant at the very end, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. Okay, I'm going to make it a little smaller than here. But I have x minus 5, so 5 is going to go here. So I've got 2, negative 12, 6, and 20. So I drop down the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. I have negative 2. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. This gives me a negative 4. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So here is my 0. All right, so what I've got here then, I started with a 2x to the 4th power. So this is going to have a third, 2x to the 3rd power minus 2x squared minus 4x. So now I look to see if there's anything I can factor out first. And I can factor out a 2x. So that's going to come out. And actually, you know, if you think about it, I could have pulled that 2x out from the very, very start. I could have done that. Okay, but I'm going to pull it out here. And I'm left with x squared minus x minus 2. So I have 2x times x minus 2. When I factor this one, x minus 2 times x plus 1. And don't forget the x minus 5, right there. Okay. Match the following graphs with their equations. This one I've got kind of over. Let me make this smaller. Hang on just one second. There, now we can see it all. If you can even see it, hopefully it's not too small. Okay, so this is similar to what you were looking at in on numbers 8 and 9, I think. I think that those were the ones. Yep, 8 and 9. So we're just, if we know what's happening in the end behavior, then we know how these things match up. So if I'm looking at the equations here, the polynomial, then I see that this one, the leading coefficient, is positive and it's even. So I know it's going to go up like this. So it will go with here. I don't care what's happening in the middle. I just care what's happening on the ends. So A goes to 27. Okay, B, I have x to the 5th. So it's odd and positive. So it's going to go like this. And I see that I have this one that looks like that. This one, C, I have negative x squared, so it's even, so it's going to go down. Well, it's negative and it's even, so they're both going to go down. So that's this problem right here. And then we know that this is D, but negative 4x cubed, it's negative and it's odd. So we can see that it goes down like this. Okay? So hopefully those ones are pretty easy to do. All right, finally, using Pascal's triangle to expand this. All right, so I am going to set my Pascal's triangle up so I can see what I've got, and then I'm going to make my little, it's kind of a table kind of a thing. So here I've got 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, and I'm looking for the 4th row. So 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So it's this one that I'm looking for. And I see that it's going to have 5 terms. So I'm going to give myself those 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. First of all, I have 3x. That's going to go first. Then I have 2y. I'm going to do that one second. And then I have my Pascal's triangle, which I have down here. So my first one starts high and goes low, right? So I have 3x to the 4th power to start, and then they go down. 3x to the 3rd, This is 3x squared. This is 3x to the first, and then finally 3x. Oh, just kidding. Is it 3x? Well, it would be 3x to the 0, wouldn't it? And that just means that it's 1. So that, actually, there's nothing there. Not sure why I wrote that. Getting ahead of myself, maybe. Okay, this term right here starts low and goes high, so it would start with nothing. Then I've got 2y to the first, 2y to the second, 2y to the third, and finally 2y to the fourth. And then, of course, Pascal's triangle is 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. All right, now I'm just going to multiply up. So 1 times 3x to the fourth, I have 3 to the fourth is 81, and then I have x to the fourth. Here, I've got 4 times 2 is 8, and then 3 to the third is 27. So 27 times 8 is 216, x cubed y. Here, I have 6 times 2 times 2, which is 4, and then 3 squared is 9. So 6 times 4 times 9 is also 216. And this is x squared, y squared. Then here I have 4 times 2 cubed is 8. So 4 times 8 times 3 is 96, x, y cubed, plus 2y to the fourth is 16, y to the fourth. Okay, well, we made it through. I hope this helps you. I want you so badly to do well on this test. So please study this review and let me know, please, if you have any questions.